In a desolate alleyway on the wrong end of town, a wife investigates the unknown. With her husband away at war, she's fallen into a troubling domestic violence.
Cut. Let's go for a little bit less Rod Sterling, a little bit more Humphrey Bogart. The Misfired Affair is a 1940s period piece short film, shooting in Ohio this fall. As an independent student project, we're funding it entirely through grants, scholarships, and crowdfunding. Every donation, big or small, helps us bring this vision to life. So, if you're interested in the project, please consider donating, and check out our Instagram and website for all news and updates regarding the Misfired Affair.